Caring for a dog with kidney disease requires careful attention to their diet. The goal is to support kidney function while maintaining overall health through carefully chosen foods. In this video, we explore some homemade dog food for dogs with kidney disease. Also, we will tackle commercial options that cater specifically to dogs with kidney conditions. And by the way, if you're looking for the best dog food out there, make sure to check out Sunday's Dog Food. For your convenience, I left a link to their website down in the description of this video. And if you shop through my links, I'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, which I'll be very grateful for. And with that in mind, let's get started. Homemade dog food recipes for kidney disease. Preparing food at home can be a beneficial approach, allowing you to control the ingredients and tailor the diet to your dog's specific needs. These vet-approved recipes focus on low phosphorus, high-quality protein, and are designed to be kidney-friendly. Chicken and rice recipe. This simple recipe combines chicken breast, a low phosphorus protein source, rice, canola oil, and specific supplements like Nordic Naturals omega-3 and Holistic Pet Organics. It's designed for different dog sizes, ensuring appropriate calorie intake from 480 calories for a 15-pound dog to 1,500 calories for a 70-pound dog. This homemade option is economical, averaging less than $2 per serving, and allows for personalized meal sizes and ingredient adjustments. Kidney-friendly pork and high-fat diet. Another option is the pork and high-fat recipe, utilizing pork loin, canola oil, and similar supplements. It also varies by dog size, from 480 calories for smaller dogs to 1,500 calories for larger breeds. This recipe ensures your dog receives a diet low in harmful minerals but rich in nutrients supporting kidney health. Commercial dog food options. While homemade food is excellent, some pet owners might prefer the convenience of commercial foods, especially those specifically formulated for kidney health. Here are 5 commercial dog foods you might want to consider. First on my list is Sunday's Dog Food, priced at $69 for a 4-week supply. This food is made in the USA and boasts human-grade ingredients, all of which are handled by USDA certified manufacturers. The key appeal of Sunday's is its natural completeness, without the need for synthetic vitamins or minerals. It offers a variety of recipes, including beef, chicken, and turkey, all enriched with healthy vegetables and seeds like pumpkin, kale, and flaxseed. Notably, it's air-dried, resembling jerky treats which are irresistible even to picky eaters. This process also preserves the nutrients better than many conventional cooking methods. According to reviews, the digestibility is excellent due to the inclusion of pumpkin and ginger, making it a great choice for dogs with sensitive stomachs. The antioxidants and omega fatty acids contribute to shiny coats and support joint health. Second, we have Hill's Prescription Diet Kidney Care, which retails at $55 for a 12-pack. This veterinary diet is specifically formulated to support kidney health in dogs. It uses a blend of chicken, vegetables, and essential nutrients to reduce protein, phosphorus, and sodium levels, which is crucial for dogs with kidney disease. The food's formulation is clinically proven to improve and lengthen the quality of life for dogs with kidney concerns. It includes more essential amino acids than the daily requirements, which helps to maintain muscle mass. Many owners report that even dogs that are generally fussy about their food find this stew appealing. The texture of bite-sized chunks in gravy not only enhances palatability, but also aids in easy consumption. Users also appreciate the easy-to-open cans that store well. Third on the list is Royal Canin Veterinary Diet, priced at $215 for a 24-pack. This product is a delectable option for dogs, featuring morsels in gravy which are particularly designed to stimulate the appetite of dogs with decreased eating tendencies. Its high-energy, dense formula reduces the volume of meals needed while still providing necessary nutrition. The food is formulated to help promote kidney function with a precise antioxidant complex and fatty acids from fish oil. It also has low phosphorus and targeted protein levels to ease the kidney workload. Reviews highlight that dogs enjoy the texture and taste, which can be a significant advantage for maintaining the health of a dog with renal issues. The formula also works in conjunction with a variety of Royal Canin's renal support, wet and dry food options, offering flexibility in dietary management. Fourth, we have Purina NF Kidney Function, priced at $53 for 6 cans. This wet dog food is tailored to manage kidney disease with low protein and phosphorus content and reduced sodium levels. It features a blend of ingredients that support kidney care, including omega-3 fatty acids from fish oil and natural fiber for digestive health. The natural smoke flavor enhances the palatability, making it more appealing to dogs. The consistency of the food is designed to be easy on the stomach, which is vital for dogs with kidney issues. It is also effective in managing common symptoms of kidney disease, such as frequent urination. Owners report noticeable improvements in their pets' health and vitality after transitioning to this diet. Its balanced composition and supportive nutrients help maintain the overall health of dogs with kidney disease. Finally, we have Blue Buffalo Natural Veterinary Diet KS Kidney Support, available for $98 for a 12-pack. This diet starts with high-quality chicken and includes a variety of whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. It's crafted to support kidney health with controlled levels of protein, phosphorus, and sodium. The inclusion of omega fatty acids and antioxidants helps maintain overall health and coat condition. This formula is free from chicken or poultry byproduct meals, corn, wheat, soy, and artificial flavors or preservatives, adhering to Blue Buffalo's commitment to natural ingredients. It is particularly noted for its palatability, which can be crucial for encouraging dogs with kidney disease to eat well. The food has received high marks for its ability to engage even the pickiest eaters, with reviews often mentioning the visible health benefits and improved energy levels in dogs on this diet. So, in conclusion, choosing the right food for your dog with kidney disease is crucial to managing their health and well-being. Both homemade and commercial options offer tailored nutrition to support kidney function and improve your dog's quality of life. Each product mentioned has its unique benefits, from enhancing palatability to supporting overall health with essential nutrients. It's important to consult with your veterinarian when choosing a diet to ensure it meets the specific needs of your pet. Among the commercial options discussed, Sunday's dog food stands out as the best choice for its natural ingredients, nutritional completeness, and palatability, making it an excellent option for your furry friend. And remember, links to all the products that I have mentioned in this video are going to be down in the description of this video. And if you shop through my links, I'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, which I'll be very grateful for. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.